watching CBS News Detroit.
Welcome back to CBS News Detroit. At noon, 'tis the holiday season, and we are with legal expert Danielle Mayoras, who's going over some common scenarios and if it's legal or not. For example, let's start with Porch Pirates, because unfortunately that's one of the things that comes with the holiday territory. If a package is stolen from your porch, who's responsible?
Well, once it gets to you, the seller is no longer responsible. They're only responsible till it's delivered to you, unless, of course, they get to the wrong address, they get it to your neighbor's house. But once it's to you, you need to file a police report, and it's no longer their responsibility.
Okay, heard somebody talking about this one recently. Can you fly with wrapped gifts? Because often they want to see what you're traveling with.
You can, but you have to be ready because TSA can unwrap those gifts. So if that's something where you're traveling for the holidays, consider using gift bags instead.
Okay, another big one. If you host a holiday party, somebody drinks a little bit too much, any liability for you as the homeowner or the host?
Yes. If you're hosting in a restaurant or a bar, you're off the hook. It's the restaurant or the bar that's responsible. When you host it in your home, as long as there are adult guests, so over the age of 21, you're not generally responsible. But if they're under 21 and there's an accident or something happens, you could be held liable.
Okay, someone submitted this one. I'm not even entirely sure what it means. I'm intrigued.
Okay.
Returning a gift that says no returns. What are they talking about here?
Well, you know when you buy maybe online or in the store and it says final sale, no returns.
Okay.
So some people think they can still return those items.
Oh, but the rules don't apply?
That the rules don't apply. Or you know what? A lot of times people just don't read the fine print and they think if I didn't see it, I don't have to follow the rules. So if it does say, you know, final sale or no returns, the retailer gets to make the rules and you're out of luck.
Okay, that's an interesting one.
Yes.
Can our employers make us work the holidays?
Unfortunately, if you are in the private sector, you may have to work Christmas. And obviously, there's exceptions if there's union contracts or it's under your employment contract, but generally they can, yes.
Okay. I know there's a lot of debate there when religion comes into play
Yes.
and any potential factor there. Can you record a family argument?
This is an interesting one. So if something's in public, the rules are different. But, you know, hearing this scenario, thinking of it in your home, there's a family argument going on, you're actually allowed to record it if you are participating in the family argument. But if you're not a participant, you may be considered an eavesdropper. So you're not technically allowed to do that.
I never knew there was a differentiation
Yes.
there. Okay, Danielle, this was a fascinating topic.
I'm glad you enjoyed
Hopefully
it.
none of these pop up for you. Thank you for coming on.
My pleasure.
Appreciate
Thank
it.
you.